we go. No more trades, man. 3-box break of Gold Standard number 1. I haven't done the freebie listing for this yet, but I'll do it here in a little bit. All right, we're going to split this in half and see which one we're going to do. After this, we've got the Immaculate number 3, 4, and I don't know how many left are number 5. Let me see how many left. Number 5 has 11 spots left. And we're going to go 6, so even on the right. This is just a little 3-box break. And then we'll let's see. I would buy 49. All right, well, let them know what's up, dog. You know what I'm saying? Busted ass, bro. Come on, dog.
Tried, bro.
You should have did it over there, dog. Damn, homie, you got me, dog. That's like penitentiary shit, dude. Come on, dog. All right. Here we go, man. I'm not going to put you on blast like that. Damn, cuz. The fuck up. Hold on. That's what I had to leave a while ago for. I ain't gonna lie. Dog.
I'll get up next time. I'll be a little bad.
Yeah, it's all good. I mean, you gotta do that. Yeah. Hold on, man. I'll be back, dog. Oh. Got me, dude.
Shit.
Oh, shit. This dude, man.
That's good luck, watch.
Alright. Man, if y'all's cards come with a little, I don't know, that ain't on me, man. You know what I'm saying? Alright. We're going to take, here, put that, this, let's put it right there next to you, I guess, if you want. Woo! Got some, got to check for some peanut butter on that one, dog. Alright, here we go. 3-box. Ready? Here we go. Youngsters, man, you just can't control their bodies, man. It's all good. Maybe that's how sick these boxes are, dog. They just rip the room up. They're going to rip the room up. That's how sick they are, man. Maybe it's not even him, man. Maybe it's the boxes, bro. Sorry, dog. You just...
No,
yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I hope that's not a tradition, dog. That's good. Here we go. We got a nice one coming up. Cody Kessler, number to 79. 79, Cody Kessler, Browns. Solomon Thomas, number 79 for the 49ers. Robin. Who's got this next team, man? All right, here we go. Number to 75, Dante Moncrief for the Colts. Stephen S. This is a nice $3 so far, man, coming up. Watch. Carlos Hyde, number to 99 for the 49ers. Robin A. I'm telling you, man. I don't think it was homeboy, man. Matthew Days for the Browns. No pun intended. The Dookie Browns. Cleveland. Timothy B. First auto, first break. Here we go. Ain't that some shit? Well, never mind. I know shit. Raekwon McMillan for the Dolphins. Miami. Going out to... Who's got Miami? Got Miami 100s.
You got any over there? I can grab it.
I'll get a little bit. Raekwon McMillan from Miami. Who's got Miami? Dane N. And yep, there he is, Mr. Deshaun Watson, 19/49 from my Houston Texans. H-Town going out to Benjamin H. Benjamin H taking the spot 30 late in the break and hitting with the Watson. Watson, how we looking at number 5? How we looking at number 5? You think you... Yeah, I'm telling you, dude. Y'all see them green gas? 10 spots left in number 5. 10 spots left in number 5.
Did you throw number 5 on the page?
Yeah, that's something cool. Number 5, man. On there. 10 spots left. Be there or be square. Alright, here we go. I'm telling you, dude, the fucking packs are wilted and shit. Right? No shit, right? Another good one. You ever see them people who rip wax with the gloves because they're rookies and shit? Well, we're gonna start a new trend because of what just happened, and to prevent that happening again from having to endure it, we're gonna start ripping in level A chemical suits with respirators and shit, like on ET. Fully enclosed. SCBA. David and Joko, number 79 for the Browns.
Have like a second air down chamber.
Yeah, we're gonna have some oxygen tanks outside. I'm gonna have to up the prices on brakes now because I'm gonna have to incorporate oxygen for breathing air. Luke Kuechly, number 49. Carolina Panthers. I was thinking of Puzzlesny for some reason. Carolina Panthers. Becky. What was that? What? I'll tell you that motherfucker next time. This is number 79. 71-79. On the Ty Montgomery. Tyler Eifert. Look at that. Look at this. I ain't pulled this dude in a while. Look who he pulled. Tyler Eifert. I farted. Tyler Eifert. Number 99. Oh shit, right? And Ezekiel Elliott, 32/99 for the Dallas Cowboys. Cowboys going out to Aaron B. Aaron B. Cowboys. I mean, shit, dude. I can't script this even better. We pulled the Browns. Tyler Eifert. I mean, what's next, dude? What's that one guy?
Jake Butt.
Jake Butt? Maybe watch us pull a Jake Butt. Tre'Davious White. What is the other one? What I was thinking? Dustin Forsett. Tre'Davious White for the Bills. That's going to be Jeff M. Twister. And John Ross, number 49, Mr. 40, the Mr. 40-yard dash holder. He ran a 4.2. John Ross, number 42, Cincinnati Bengals. Stephen S. from Hawaii. So the big rookie's starting to come out now. John Ross. Dual relic auto. Last box.
What was that one number to? 45?
49. 49. Here we go. Boom. And all right, here we go. Sam Bradford, number 279. Adrian Peterson. Damn, I hadn't seen Peterson in the his new uniform yet. Number to 49 for the Saints. That's the first time I've seen it like that, man. Kamara Saints number to 199, newly minted. New Orleans Saints. New Orleans Saints. Who's got the Saints? Brian H. Ooh. Sterling Shepard, 1 of 1. Second 1 of 1 out of case. BTB Fire, last box mojo. Giants. Who's got the Giants? Paul K. Sterling Shepard, 1 of 1. Nike swoosh. Player worn, dog. Sterling Shepard. Nice, bro. Davon Goshaw, number to 149. Oh, man. Here we go. Hall of Fame auto coming. See, I think there's another Hall of Fame auto coming. I think there's like 2. Yeah, he did, Miller. You're right about that. But we'll see, man. We'll see. Number to 99, Fred Dean, Hall of Famer for the Chargers, LA Chargers. Going out to Stephen S. Stephen S. And for the Steelers. Steelers going out to, who's got the Steelers? Shit. We can't find these hoes. Oh, Aaron B. Aaron B. All right, man. Congratulations on that one. That's number 3 going. So now we're going to start rolling.